welcome back to Math with Aradhya. Today we are going to learn about the grid method of multiplication. So let's get started. What is a grid method? The grid method is written technique used for multiplication. It involves partitioning numbers into tens and units before they are multiplied. It's sometimes called the box method of multiplication because it involves partitioning numbers into the grid of boxes. For example, over here, let's take 13 multiplied by 4. Okay, in a grid method, we partition the two-digit numbers like 13 into 10 and 3 based on the place value. Next, we place the numbers into the grid and multiply 4 times. Like we multiply 4 times 10 equals 40 and 4 times 3 equals 12. Like we multiply this and these. So yeah. After multiplying that, finally we add the answers from each of the multiplication, like 40 plus 12 equals 52. So 13 multiplied by 4 equals 52. Let's take another example with a 3-digit number. Like we have 427 multiplied by 5. First, we partition the number, partition 427 into 420 and 7, as you can see here. Then we place the number into a grid and multiply like this. Like we did 5 times 400 equals 2000, 2000, and then 5 times 20 equals 100, and 5 times 7 equals 35. Then we add all these numbers, then we add all these numbers like 2000 plus 100 plus 35 equals 2135. So it means 427 multiplied by 5 equals 2135. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's try some questions together. So for example, 31 multiplied by 5. So what we need to do is we need to just like partition the number 31. Like we can partition the number 31 into 30 and 1, yeah, according to the place value. And then when we can multiply like 30 and 1, and then we can multiply that with 5. So we will get like we will multiply 30 with 5 and 1 with 5. Okay, like this. And then we will get when we will multiply that, and our results will be 150 and 5. Like 150 and 5. Then in our next step, we just need to add these two numbers, 150 plus 5, and we will get 155. It means 31 multiplied by 5 equals to 155. Okay, then we have another example is 52 multiplied by 7. We can partition 52 into 50 and 2 like this, 50 and 2 according to the place value, and then multiply that, like 50 times 7 equals 350, and 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. Yeah, now we need to add them both, and when we will add, we will get 364. So it means 52 multiplied by 7 equals 364. Okay, now finally let's take a 3-digit number by multiplying 247 multiplied by 2. So in this we are just going to partition 247 into 240 and 7 like this. We can just like partition this number into 240 and 7, and then we just need to multiply that with 2. So when we will multiply that, like when we will multiply 200 with 2, 40 with 2 and 7 with 2, we will get 480. Like when we will do 40 times 2, we will get 80, and 7 times 2 equals 14. Now in our last step, we just need to add them all, and when we will add, we will get 494. It means 247 multiplied by 2 equals to 494. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comment me down and I'm definitely going to help you out. And bye bye, tada.